Okay, now that we have Petitboot running, okay, let's go back to our computer. Okay, we're going to open up Telnet and connect to our PS3. Now what we're going to do is, from the how-to, which is just over, you can just view it, the video is going to have the link to it on the side, so if you guys get stuck on any parts, we'll have most of everything there. But basically, here, let me switch it to where you guys can see it from my computer so it's more clear. No. Okay, and let's start it. Okay, from here, what we're going to do is we're going to cd into temp, and now we're going to wget the automagic script. Well, the automagical script, as Daz likes to call it. And it is here. We'll have the link for you guys as well. And now what we're going to do is we're going to chmod it. So that means it will be an executable file. And now we're going to hit // and then initimg.sh, and then we're going to update. What this is going to do is it's going to see if you have a USB drive plugged into your PS3, and if it is plugged into it, it's going to check to see if it has the actual Petitboot file on it, just to make sure. And if not, we'll get a copy of it and download it for you guys. From here, we're going to type in initimg.sh again, and now we're going to type in auto after it. What this is going to do is it's going to get the net installer. It's going to format your hard drive for the 3 partitions, 1 prep boot, the swap area, as well as the main partition, which is going to use the 40 gigs for your Debian install. Now we're probably going to speed this up a little bit, so yeah. Okay, now that it's booting, this is what you'll see. And here I will walk you through the steps. Okay, now we're in the net installer. I'm just going to go through these quick and fast, but you guys can enter in all the information that you guys think is needed. Again, we're probably going to speed most of this video up because it's just downloading and installing, so. But for the parts that are needed, we will talk. Well, I will explain. Let's just enter in basic stuff. Okay, here's the only thing you guys really have to do on the actual installer. You go to Manual. You're going to go down to the K. Okay, so it is prep boot, so we're going to go down to Done Setting Up the Partition. And now we're going to go to Swap. Swap's on. Everything's done. And now we're going to go down to ext3. Now, some people don't like to do this, but as a precautionary, we're going to do ext3 on journaling file system. And I'm going to format the partition. and I'm going to mount it to the root file system, which is the /, and that's it. Now I'll just hit finish and finish changing and write, and then it'll give you it'll bring up like a pop-up window, I guess, and ask you if you would like to actually do the changes, and you'll press yes to write the changes to disk, and it's going to format it, then download the release files for the base install, and then you can give it other options to install afterwards. As you can see, it's installing the base system now. Okay, so when you get to this screen, you can either participate or not. I'm going to hit no. Okay, since I'm not really a graphical user, I'll install it later, but I'm going to install SSH server and the standard stuff. It's not really needed, but